Hey guys, this is AP of Queen Jodi and AP, and we are out here at our first investment in the Gambia, Mandor, a piece of land, guys. Yeah. So make sure you stick and stay to the channel, guys. I have some very important information to share with you as well about investing in land and some tips are I don't like to use the word tricks, but some tips that I've learned. This is our first investment piece of land that we have owned in Africa, and it's amazing, guys. So make sure you stick and stay, click the notification bell, make sure you don't miss a beat of us uploading videos on this channel. As we say, we're young entrepreneurs on a journey to building wealth, and this is our first start, guys. So yeah, we are at this land in Mandor. We just bought it. We just bought a piece. It's not this entire piece. I wish I could buy this entire piece of land and have it. Yeah, yeah, I'm working towards that. I don't wish. I'm working towards it, right? Me and Queen Jodi, every night and day we worked, and we do affiliate marketing, we do affiliate programs, and we saved up our money until we were able to get this piece of investment here in Africa, guys. Listen, one of the trick that I'm going to share with you guys about how you can do this if you don't have any money like that as yet, and or you have some money but it's not enough, and you say, boy, I don't think I am going to be able to own a piece of land right now, or you may not even be thinking of investing in a piece of land right now. Let me tell you something. Land is something that never devalue. It always go up in value. All right, so what happened is, when we got to Gambia, on our journey from Jamaica to Gambia, where we manifested ourselves here, we came here with 500 US dollars in our name, guys. And we didn't have enough money to do anything that we wanted to do. We used content marketing, using YouTube, sharing our story, our journey, and we were able to make some smalls from YouTube, because YouTube don't necessarily pay you much money. They really don't. That's how it is. And so we realized quickly that we need to find a way to raise our income so that we can at least move towards building wealth. You understand? Some people would say, yo, AP, don't share this on the internet. But listen, if you don't do that, then how are you going to inspire others to move forward? And we're about inspiring our people to move forward and to elevate themselves in this time, especially if you are a young entrepreneur or an aspiring entrepreneur, and you're thinking of how I can elevate myself. This channel will help you with that. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, guys. Anyways, so we partnered with a company called SNS, and we marketed for them. I'm sure you guys have seen some of the videos if you're on this channel for a while. If you're new, you can check them out. And we were able to get a commission from us marketing with them. So we save that commission and we make partnership with them. So now when they are advertising this land here for sale, the value of this land is $200,000. $200,000, that's like 4,000 US. But they were selling the land for 2,000 US, which is $100,000. And that's the time when we bought the land. So guess what happened? The secret about becoming a landowner or investing in land is to look for the time when they're having sales. Now, sales don't happen every day. And some people probably say, yo, AP, that's like the cheapest. Yeah, but that's what you want to do. You want to make sure that you spend less and gain more, because right now we are landowner here, and our land is valued at $200,000, which is 4,000 US dollars. I wish it was 400,000, but it's 4,000 US dollars, right? And right away we capitalized on the piece of land that we bought. Can you imagine that? All we had to do is just wait until they were having sale and take advantage of that. Because the real truth is that not everybody's gonna have the cash at one time to invest, right? Not everybody's gonna have $4,000 put down. Not everybody's gonna have $5,000 put down. Some people are just gonna have a small amount of money, and they think that they cannot invest in anything, and they feel like, yo, I'm never gonna have wealth or anything like that. Sometimes you can start small. You understand? You can invest in small things. Like, as I said, look out for like companies like this when they're having sale, and then you go in at that time. You build up interest, you build up money, I should say, over time. And so you move towards things like that. I heard a story the other day of this old they call us now janitor, who saved 90% of his money over I think it's 50 odd years period, and he was able to make 8 million. But he died. He didn't get to spend any of, he didn't spend any of that money. He died, leave all of that cash. He donated some to charity, he donated some to an hospital, and he donated some to his family, right? But he was able to save $8 million over a period of 50 years. Now, for a lot of people, they will never see $8 million in their life, especially working a 9 to 5, because 9 to 5 job don't allow you to grow to that height. You understand what I'm saying? I'm not bashing 9 to 5. Shout out to everybody who's doing a 9 to 5 right now. You have to do what you have to do. You understand? But I'm talking about creating passive income. I'm talking about investing in yourself in order to build wealth in this time. And that's the kind of mindset that you have to have if you want to be successful. So me and Queen Jodi, we leave Jamaica. We came to Africa. When we got here, we did not came here with nothing, guys. We came here with 500 US dollars, 2 suitcases, and that was it. You understand? We didn't have anything like that. A YouTube channel as well. So yeah, give thanks for that. Content creation was the way that we used to earn revenue. You understand what I'm saying? It might be small, but we're working on growing that. And that's why we say we are on a journey to building wealth. And this is the first step, guys. This is the first step, by owning a piece of land for yourself. You understand? Even if it's not on sale and you can afford to buy a piece of land, I think that's good, because guess what? As I said, land value never go down, it goes up. If you're a landowner, trust me, you know what I'm talking about. Real estate investment is what most of the billionaires, millionaires, them invest in. They buy a house, they rent it out. They don't buy a house and go live in there and live posh. Oh, look at me in my nice big house. No, they buy houses, they buy land, and they leave them, or they rent them. They rent them out to people and make money consistently. You understand? If you have, for example, if you have $4 to $5 million, see, right? You have $4 to $5 million, see. Instead of taking that $4 to $5 million, see, and start a business that is gonna sometimes, starting a business, especially if you're coming to Africa and you don't understand how things work, you don't understand the logistics of everything. Instead of starting a business and using your money and trying and figuring out if it's gonna work, especially if it's a business that is about product that you're gonna have to buy material to make something to sell, you could invest that money into real estate. Buying a house and putting that house on the market for rent. You understand? That house will be 100% yours. You won't have to be paid by the bank or anything like that. And you could use the money that you're making yearly, because in Africa they only rent yearly to, diasporans, they only rent yearly. So anyways, you could be taking that yearly money that you're making from the house that you buy and putting it towards something like this. So every year you could buy a 20 by 20 piece of land or a 40 by 40 piece of land. You understand what I'm saying? In Africa. And that will bring you wealth over time, because the more land you own, the more wealth you own. Some people rich in assets. I'd rather to be rich in assets, because I don't know when, money is going to be invalid and people are not going to want to spend money, and, spending money is going to become a thing of the past. So you want to make sure that you have assets as well, not just digital currency like, money or cryptocurrency or whatever the hell you you think else is valuable in these times. I think owning assets is much better, like a land is better. So for us guys, we're giving ourselves a chance to build wealth. Some people are gonna ask us, or some people might say, yo, couldn't you have done that in Jamaica? Possibly, but in Africa there's a lot more wealth, there's a lot more opportunity for us to do so here. And that's why we chose to come to Africa. For somebody else, it might be that they're in America and that they can, achieve what they want by being in America or being UK or wherever else across the world that you are. Building wealth is possible everywhere. Especially me and Queen Jodi, guys. If you know anything about us, we have been pushing the whole idea of content creation and content marketing to build wealth. You understand? That's what we do, and we love doing it. We love making content, and we love sharing our story and sharing opportunities and ideas that others can try in order to build wealth. So right now guys, we're in Africa, right? From Jamaica with nothing to being in Africa. all because we manifested it, all because we chose to do content creation, you know, content marketing, you know. From then till now, we haven't changed. Oh my God, I know I'm sounding like I'm running out of breath, but I'm walking. It's raining, the grass is high, and we're just looking at the land, we're checking out stuff. So I'm going to be showing you guys around this property. Well, not around because the grass is high right now. I'm not taking that risk, but I'm going to be showing you guys a sneak preview of what the land look like so you guys can see. All right, watch this. Okay guys, so here is the land. You have to be careful. This is Africa and there are snakes. There are snakes. Oh my God. Yes, I'm looking for the path where them walk up. Yeah. Hey. You. The wall. Oh, use the wall. Huh? Walk at the wall. Oh, you guys walk on the wall. Huh? Hey. Oh, I wasn't going to walk through that bush. Oh my God, that was scary. Yes, guys. Investing in your future. This is what it looks like, you know. Owning a piece of land is asset. It's not a liability because the value will go up. So right now this land is valued at 200,000, right? But they just had a sale. I'm not sure if it's up, SNS, but they just had a sale where the land was going for 100,000. They were giving people a chance to become landowners in the Gambia at 100,000. That was a brilliant deal. I'm so happy that me and Queen Jodi take the chance to move towards this, you know. As you can see, people were just using the land to make grown-ups, guys, you know. So these are some of the ways that people are building wealth, you know. Right now is rainy season in Africa. So what they did is that they plant the groundnut here. So when it's ready, they're going to reap them and take them to market. So SNS have allowed these people to use it to plant the groundnuts, and then when it's ready, they're gonna take it to market and make money from it. Yes. Oh my God, I'm so happy I had to. Whew. I'm happy about this wall. Walking in the grass, that will not be good. So I'm going to show you guys exactly where our land is located, or around the place where our land is located, so you guys can see what's up. Here. Yep. Yes. I know I'm not talking, but I'm running out of breath. We catch up to everybody else, guys. Hey. Hey family, what's up? Cool?
You good?
Yeah, I was just talking to the guys, you know, letting them know that
We're in Mandua.
Mandor.
Exactly.
Yeah?
Yeah.
AP, we are live.
No, you're not live.
Whoa.
You're recorded.
Oh,
We
we're
thought we were
recording.
live.
You're recorded. You're not live.
Why she have to say that word?
We thought we were live.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Nah, I was just telling them, you know, like,
Because he was like,
Yeah.
he's telling the guys.
no, it's recorded. They're gonna be watching and commenting and say, hey.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem, huh?
I was just telling them like this land is a good investment, you know.
Of course.
It's a good investment.
Posted in a couple weeks. Okay.
Yeah, it's good because you see things are growing on it, so you know the soil is good
Yeah.
at least, and it's not flooded. There's no pile of water, so that's good as well. So yeah, I think our side is right there,
How did you decide you wanted
right over that side.
Okay. Our plot It's
It's, I
like,
think it's there.
yeah, it's somewhere right there. But the advantage with this area is that the road in between here and here, the access road, as you can see the bush them take over
Okay.
right here. So
Oh, okay, okay.
yeah, it's gonna be heading straight to
To Brikama.
Brikama.
Oh, okay.
So you don't have to go that way to travel. So I just
So you have two ways.
Yes.
Okay. Gotcha.
Yeah,
This
this.
is the road right
and
there.
then like
Mhm. This
And
part.
there's another one over there.
Yes.
Okay, so your home is
Our
right after the other road?
our
Or right
ro-
before the other road?
our plot is gonna be like from this main road, and there's gonna be one road going down that side as well.
Okay.
So we'll be right at the, what you call that now, like a junction.
Okay.
Yes. Hey, move away from the bush. Kai.
Did it.
Come.
Anybody's life.
Okay.
Nah, come, girl. Nah, me come. Come, girl. So yeah, don't go any further, cause I was afraid of, snake.
Usman say it's fine.
It's fine.
Yeah.
How does he know that? Does he have X-ray vision?
So this is going to be our main road,
Mm-hmm.
right?
This one that we're standing in is the main
Right.
road.
And then there's going to be a road between the two.
Yeah,
There's gonna be off. What do you call those roads?
like a junction.
yeah, junctions.
Junction B.
Yeah.
So this one is going straight to Brikama. That's cool. Hey, Jody.
Yeah.
Dude,
And I like that it's close to the orchard over there.
to the
Because
orchard.
All of that land over there is a farmland.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
Khan over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the well was right there.
Yeah.
I swear the king planted some gold under this, I swear.
Okay. You want to do a what do they call it?
What?
Undercover mission.
No, son, not with them high grass here. Hey, so we're here, guys. So we're touring, and we're just showing you. Oh, be careful. I was just talking to them, Jody. Jody, so this video was like, I was talking about having this land as an investment, or a first investment in the Gambia, and I was just sharing with them, like, sometimes you can take advantages of sales.
Yes.
Sometimes, when that's happening, you can do so if you don't have enough money. But if you do have the money to buy it, it's best to do so, because land value only go up
Yeah.
in value. It don't go down. It never
That's
fall.
right, that's right.
So, that's what I was sharing with them when I was way over there. So now I'm here. And, the land is beautiful. It's growing up. We may do some work out here soon. And, this is just us working our way towards building wealth.
Exactly. So.
Yeah. Why?
So I mean, whenever you can put your hands on an asset,
Yeah.
that's gonna be beneficial. Well, assets are beneficial.
Mhm.
So yeah, go at it. Don't waste time, as we say. Don't procrastinate. Oh, wonder if you see a stock that you can buy because it at the
Yeah, the right
the
price.
ripe price. I mean, it's a ripe price. You can just put your money, and say it will grow over time.
Hey,
for you.
not that we are saying take our advice. We're not stocks people,
Yeah.
We only can talk about what we know about.
Exactly.
Exactly.
So
Yeah.
that's it, guys. I mean, invest in yourself in whatever way you can, whether it's buying a land, whether it's buying a car to do a business, whether it's, just invest in yourself. Even if it's just the time that you have, you don't have the money, but you have the time, you can make the time for learn new things or improve on the skill that you have, and use that improvement to earn for you.
That's
You
true.
understand?
Work and let it work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, we all want to achieve something. So what is it that you want to achieve?
Comment
Go
below
for it.
and let us know.
That's right.
Alright, guys. Until the next video. Remember to share this video everywhere. Tell a friend about this channel. Love ya.